Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Guest Cottages and Suites. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Guest Cottages and Suites is located off Interstate 95 and 25 minutes drive from Jekyll Island. Free Wi-Fi and satellite TV are included in every guest room at this hotel. Kitchenettes include a dishwasher as well as a stovetop, microwave, and refrigerator. Laundry facilities is available at Guest Cottages and Suites, as well as a 24-hour reception. Guests can enjoy a refreshing snack or drink from the on-site vending machines or use the fax and photocopying facilities. Brunswick city center is 15 minutes drive from this hotel and the beach is 30 minutes car ride away. St. Simons is 12 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.